everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Tech4Gamers. In this video, we will be learning how to change modes in Honor of Kings step by step. If you're playing Honor of Kings and want to switch between different game modes like ranked, normal or special event, then here is how you do it. First of all, launch open Honor of Kings on your device and make sure that you are logged in. From the lobby screen, go ahead and tap on the modes button at the bottom of the screen, and then you will come across different modes on the next page. Scroll through the list and find the mode you'd like to play or battle on. You can select a normal, ranked match, normal 1 vs 1, 5 vs 5, boot camp, solo practice, and so on inside the modes. Select the game mode you'd like to play. After selecting one of the modes, go to the bottom of the screen and tap on Find Match, and you will then be able to play in the selected mode. By exploring different modes, you can improve your skills. Select your character on the next page and click on the Confirm button at the bottom right, and you'll be ready for the battle. Changing modes in Honor of King is quick and simple once you know where to look. By exploring different modes, you can improve your skills, play casually with friends, or compete seriously in ranked matches. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.